Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth beauty reviews from a real-world perspective. Let's dive straight into today's product, TEMPTU's Air Root Touch-Up and Hair Color Kit in dark brown. Whether you're looking to cover up those roots between salon visits or simply want to add some color back into your hair, this product promises a weightless, vitamin-enriched formula that's non-greasy and long-wearing. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. TEMPTU has made a name for itself with innovative products that deliver results. The Air Root Touch-Up and Hair Color Kit is designed with convenience in mind. It's a liquid formula that claims to provide a seamless, natural finish. The key selling points here are its vitamin-enriched composition and the promise of a weightless, non-powder texture, which aims to keep your hair soft, touchable, and free from that stiff, sticky feeling. I started using this product in my regular beauty routine, mostly to cover up some regrowth that I just couldn't keep up with between salon visits. The application process is simple. It comes in a bottle with a sprayer, and I found it easy to control how much product I dispensed. The liquid is lightweight, and I appreciate that it doesn't leave my hair feeling crunchy or dry, something that's common with some other root touch-up products. As for the color match, I was quite impressed with the dark brown shade. It blends naturally into my hair, which is typically a darker brown with some subtle highlights. The formula goes on smoothly without streaking or clumping. I tested it on both damp and dry hair, and it performed well in both situations, but I preferred applying it to dry hair for a more even finish. When it comes to performance, I have to say this product really shines. It didn't weigh down my hair or make it feel greasy, even after several hours of wear. One of the key things that stood out to me was how touchable my hair remained, something I really appreciate because I don't like products that make my hair feel stiff or unnatural. TEMPTU's formula definitely lives up to its claim of being weightless. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is lightweight and vitamin-enriched, so it won't damage your hair. The color is vibrant and blends seamlessly, and it doesn't leave a powdery residue. The packaging is convenient, and the sprayer allows for precise application, which is crucial when you're trying to target specific areas. On the downside, the price point might be a concern for some. While the product works well, there are cheaper alternatives out there, especially for those just looking for basic root coverage. Additionally, it's important to note that this is a temporary solution, so it's not going to last through multiple washes. You'll need to reapply every few days, depending on how often you wash your hair. Also, for those with sensitive scalps, I'd recommend doing a patch test first, as some people might react to certain ingredients in the formula. When it comes to value for money, TEMPTU's Air Root Touch-Up Kit isn't the cheapest on the market, but it does offer premium performance. The fact that it doesn't leave hair feeling heavy or greasy makes it a standout, especially for those looking for a product that provides long-lasting coverage without the crunchy, fake-looking finish you might get from powders or sprays. If you're not willing to invest in the TEMPTU kit, there are alternatives. There are plenty of root touch-up products available at a lower price point, but many of them don't have the same smooth, non-powdery finish. If you're just looking to cover a few roots temporarily, you might find something comparable that fits within a smaller budget. But if you're after something that delivers professional-level results, this might be worth the investment. Now, as far as build quality and longevity, I have to say that the packaging is durable and travel-friendly. The sprayer works consistently, and the product lasts quite a while, so you won't run out after just a few uses. The color stays intact for a good 1 to 2 days, even with regular touch-ups. As for the longevity of the actual formula, I haven't experienced any fading or flaking, which is a huge plus. If you've ever had to contact TEMPTU's customer support, you probably know that they're pretty responsive. I didn't need to reach out myself, but the brand's reputation for handling inquiries is solid, with a generally positive response from users online. To wrap things up, TEMPTU's Air Root Touch-Up and Hair Color Kit delivers a high-quality, effective solution for covering roots and adding color back into your hair. Its lightweight, vitamin-enriched formula sets it apart from other products on the market. While it's a bit on the pricier side, you're paying for a product that doesn't compromise on performance or texture. If you're looking for a non-greasy, natural-looking solution to root touch-ups, I'd say this product is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. You can also find the link to purchase this product in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.